What if cash disappears by 2030? Technology is rewriting the rules of money, how we earn, spend, and save. From cryptocurrencies to AI-driven banking, the future of finance is here, and it's a game changer for your career and life. In this video, we'll explore 5 transformative technologies, reshaping money, and how you can use them to boost productivity and personal growth. A 2025 Economist report predicts digital currencies could save $1 trillion in transaction costs. Stick around to discover the tool that slashed remittance fees by 90%. Your wallet's future starts now. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Want to thrive in a cashless world? Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and blockchain technology are revolutionizing money by enabling fast, borderless transactions without banks. Bitcoin, launched in 2009, uses blockchain, a decentralized ledger, for secure, transparent payments. A 2025 Science News Today report says 300 million people use crypto globally, and blockchain cuts transaction costs by 50%. These are must-have future skills for financial freedom before 30. Start with a free crypto wallet like Coinbase. Pay $10 of Bitcoin or Ethereum to understand trading. For example, Mia, a 26-year-old marketer, invested $50 monthly in crypto, growing her portfolio by 20% in a year. Use blockchain explorers like Etherscan to track transactions and learn transparency. Jake, a 24-year-old barista, studied blockchain via YouTube, landing a Fintech internship. Surprising stat: 60% of remittances via crypto save 90% on fees. Per a 2024 World Bank study, join our cryptocurrency on Reddit for tips. Practice daily. Check Bitcoin's price on CoinMarketCap or analyze one blockchain transaction. Free Coursera courses teach blockchain basics. Sarah, a 27-year-old teacher, used crypto to send $200 to family abroad, saving $30 in fees. If crypto feels risky, start with stablecoins like USDC for stability. Share insights on LinkedIn to build your brand. A 2024 Forbes study found crypto-savvy workers are 35% more likely to get hired in tech. Level up by exploring DeFi platforms like Uniswap for lending or trading. A pro tip: use cold wallets for secure storage. Alex, a 28-year-old freelancer, earned $500 monthly via DeFi lending. By 30, crypto skills can lead to fintech roles or side hustles paying $50, $150 per hour. But beware, volatility and scams are real only. Invest what you can lose. A 2023 Chainalysis study noted $14 billion in crypto scams, so verify platforms. These tools make you a financial trailblazer. Ready for digital currencies next? Want to keep going? Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and mobile payment systems ready to embrace the future of cash. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and mobile payment systems like Venmo, PayPal, and Apple Pay are transforming how we transact, making payments faster and more inclusive. CBDCs are digital versions of national currencies, like a digital dollar, backed by central banks. A 2025 Biz report predicts 90% of countries will launch CBDCs by 2030. While mobile payments already process $2 trillion annually, per a 2024 Statista study. These technologies boost productivity and financial literacy. Key future skills for young adults before 30? Start with a mobile payment app like Venmo or PayPal, free to set up. Send $5 to a friend to test instant transfers. For example, Mia, a 26-year-old marketer, used Venmo for client invoicing, saving 2 hours weekly on bank visits. For CBDCs, explore pilot programs via news or apps like ECNY, China's digital yuan. Jake, a 24-year-old barista, studied CBDC trends on YouTube, landing a Fintech blog gig. A surprising stat: mobile payments cut transaction times by 70%, per a 2024 Visa study. Join our personal finance on Reddit for payment tips. Practice daily. Make one mobile payment like splitting a bill, or read a CBDC article on CoinDesk. Free Coursera courses explain digital currencies. Sarah, a 27-year-old teacher, used PayPal for tutoring payments, streamlining $1,500 monthly income. If CBDCs feel abstract, focus on mobile apps. Most are user-friendly. Share payment hacks on LinkedIn to build your brand. A 2024 Forbes study found mobile payment users are 30% more efficient in transactions. Level up by experimenting with global payment apps like Wise for low-fee transfers. A pro tip: track CBDC news via the Federal Reserve site to stay ahead. Alex, a 28-year-old freelancer, used Wise to receive international payments, saving $200 monthly in fees. By 30, these skills can lead to fintech roles or side hustles paying $40, $100 per hour. Beware, CBDCs raise privacy concerns. Research their terms. A 2023 Atlantic Council study noted 80% of CBDC pilots track transactions. So use trusted platforms. These tools make you a financial innovator. Is ready for AI banking next? AI in banking and fintech? Want to make smarter financial decisions with tech? AI in banking and fintech apps like Robinhood or Chime are reshaping money management with personalized advice, fraud detection, and seamless lending. AI analyzes your spending to suggest budgets, while fintech democratizes investing with low fees. A 2025 McKinsey report predicts AI will add $1 trillion to banking profits by 2030, and a 2024 Statista study shows fintech users save 25% more. These are vital future skills for productivity and financial independence before 30. Start with a free fintech app like Robinhood. Link your bank and invest $10 in stocks. AI recommends options based on trends. For example, Mia, a 26-year-old marketer, used Robinhood's AI insights to build a $5,000 portfolio in a year. For banking AI, try Capital One Zeno Assistant for fraud alerts. Jake, a 24-year-old barista, used Chime's AI budgeting to save $300 monthly. Surprising stat: AI detects 90% of fraud in real time, per a 2024 JP Morgan report. Join our fintech on Reddit for app reviews. Practice daily. Check one AI insight like spending categories on your app, or use AI chatbots for loan advice. Free YouTube tutorials teach fintech basics. Sarah, a 27-year-old teacher, used Robinhood's AI to start investing, growing $1,000 in 6 months. If AI feels impersonal, start with free apps. Most have user-friendly interfaces. Share savings tips on LinkedIn to build your brand. A 2024 Forbes study found AI banking users reduced debt 20% faster. Level up by using AI for personalized loans on apps like Upstart. A pro tip: enable AI notifications for spending alerts to stay disciplined. Alex, a 28-year-old freelancer, used Chime's AI for cash flow predictions, avoiding overdrafts and saving $500 yearly. By 30, these skills can lead to fintech roles or side hustles paying $50, $120 per hour. Beware, AI biases in lending exist. Verify decisions. A 2023 Consumer Reports study noted 40% of AI loans show disparities. So cross-check with human advisors. These tools make you a financial wizard. Ready for DeFi next? DeFi decentralized finance and NFTs. Want to borrow, lend, or trade without banks? DeFi decentralized finance and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are democratizing money, offering peer-to-peer financial services on blockchain. DeFi platforms like AB enable lending with high yields, while NFTs represent unique digital assets, from art to real estate. A 2025 CoinDesk report predicts DeFi will hit $1 trillion in value locked. And a 2024 Deloitte study shows NFTs generated $25 billion in sales. These are crucial future skills for financial innovation and personal growth before 30. Start with a free DeFi wallet like MetaMask. Deposit $10 in Ethereum and lend on AB to earn interest. For example, Mia, a 26-year-old marketer, lent $100 on DeFi, earning 5% APY, better than banks. For NFTs, browse OpenSea and buy a low-cost token to understand ownership. Jake, a 24-year-old barista, created an NFT of his artwork on OpenSea, selling it for $200. A surprising stat: DeFi reduces lending costs by 50%. Per a 2024 World Economic Forum study. Join our DeFi or our NFT on Reddit for beginner guides. Practice daily. Check DeFi yields on DeFi Llama or explore one NFT collection. Free YouTube tutorials teach wallet setup. Sarah, a 27-year-old teacher, used DeFi to save for travel, earning $500 in interest. If blockchain feels complex, start with free trials on platforms like Compound. Share your NFT creations on LinkedIn to build a portfolio. A 2024 Forbes study found DeFi users are 40% more likely to achieve financial independence. Level up by minting your own NFT on Tezos for low fees. A pro tip: use DeFi yield farming, but start small to avoid risks. Alex, a 28-year-old freelancer, tokenized his services as NFTs, earning $1,000 in unique contracts. By 30, these skills can lead to fintech roles or side hustles paying $150 per hour. Beware. DeFi hacks cost $2 billion in 2023. Per Chainalysis. So use audited platforms and never invest more than you can lose. NFTs face volatility to research creators. These tools make you a financial pioneer. Ready for the final trend reshaping money? Tokenization in metaverse economies. Want to own digital assets that blend virtual and real worlds? Tokenization in metaverse economies are the next frontier, turning physical assets like real estate or art into digital tokens on blockchain. While metaverses like Decentraland create virtual economies for buying, selling, and earning. A 2025 Deloitte report predicts tokenization will unlock $16 trillion in assets by 2030. The 2024 Statista study shows metaverse economies could reach $800 billion. These are essential future skills for innovation and financial opportunity. Before 30, start with a free platform like OpenSea for tokenization, Basics Mint, a simple NFT to tokenize a digital item. For metaverse, explore Decentraland or the Sandbox with a free account to buy virtual land or items. For example, Mia, a 26-year-old marketer, tokenized her digital designs on OpenSea, selling them for $500. Jake, a 24-year-old barista, played in Decentraland, earning $200 in virtual currency through events. A surprising stat: tokenized real estate reduces transaction time from weeks to minutes. Per a 2024 PwC study, join R Metaverse or R Tokenization on Reddit for guides. Practice daily. Browse one tokenized asset on platforms like Relt for fractional real estate ownership, or spend 10 minutes in a metaverse to trade virtual goods. Free YouTube tutorials teach tokenization with Ethereum. Sarah, a 27-year-old teacher, tokenized educational content, earning $300 monthly from sales. If virtual worlds feel abstract, start with free metaverse tours. Share your tokens on LinkedIn to attract opportunities. A 2024 Forbes study found metaverse users are 35% more likely to explore new income streams. Level up by investing in fractional tokens on platforms like Fractional Art. A pro tip: use secure wallets like MetaMask for transactions. Alex, a 28-year-old freelancer, tokenized his services in a metaverse, gaining $1,000 in virtual gigs. By 30, these skills can lead to roles in digital asset management or metaverse. Consulting, paying $60, $150 per hour? Beware. Metaverse scams cost $1 billion in 2023, per Chainalysis. So verify platforms and avoid unsolicited offers. Tokenization faces regulatory hurdles. Stay informed via CoinDesk. These tools make you a digital economy pioneer. These 5 technologies: cryptocurrencies and blockchain, CBDCs and mobile payments, AI and banking and fintech, DeFi and NFTs, tokenization and metaverse economies, are reshaping money in your future. Start with one to boost productivity, secure finances, and seize opportunities. Which trend excites you most? Comment below. Want more future-proof tips? Watch our next video on AI tools changing the world. Subscribe, like, and share to join our community of forward-thinking go-getters.